दोस्तों, आपको अगर हमारी वीडियो पसंद आए तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, घंटे को दबाएं, ऑल प्रेस करें हमारी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
So, hello friends, I am Meghraj and today we are going to talking about this. If your Yahoo Mail is not working on your smartphone, then there is a problem. Your mail is temporary, unavailable. Please wait a moment. Please wait a moment and reload the page. Learn more how to fix the problem and how to correct it. Today is the video we are going to teach you. First of all going to yahoo.com. After that, friend, you get some search option which you have issue. Contact us and choose your problem to mail and the choose your mail and desktop and mobile mail new Yahoo mail. So first time are you facing issue your mail to desktop side mails and send your Yahoo mail ID and get started to solve this your problem. Otherwise आप you can fix the problem from here. So friends, from here you can take the help and it not helpful, from there you can give your feedback so that you get solution your problem. So thank you for watching this video.